think you just embarrassed him.
Huh?
You just embarrassed him.
It took him like 4 tries to get up it.
Oh, it's his thing though. It makes him...
4? Yeah, this is... Wait. Good, come on.
Monk's never made it up that without being on the
I know. You're hard on the skinny fat.
I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, he's trying to get it straightened up.
Actually, he's got a cage on that side.
That might be funny to go watch.
Probably.
It might be. There's gonna probably be some parts.
When is it?
It isn't
Next
two-wheel drive.
Saturday.
Next hour.
It isn't two-wheel drive.
Mine won't be done by then.
Oh,
Proud.
Back up. Just a little bit.
hey, you want to
Right. Turn that way just a little bit. Come on. Are you in four-wheel drive?
Do it again.
No. Try it now. Come on, you got it, Wade. Stay with it. Cut it off, Wade. Cut it off, Wade.
You broke a radiator line or something.
I can see it spraying out.
Hope you got a good battery, bud.
Why?
Because you just puked all your antifreeze out and we're going to have to winch you out of this.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, you see what I say.
Let me winch him out.
Yeah.
It won't overheat. Just let him cool down and let him back up.
All right.
And then we'll go out the easy way. We're not
I
trying
got a bottle of
it's-
antifreeze.
Yeah, but you cut something.
There's something. We just let it cool down. I'm not digging under there like that.
Yeah, the only problem is he's in like a bad spot. Like I'm holding the Jeep right now.
I ain't gonna flip.
Let go, dude. I got a cage. Let go. We got a cage.
Push on it.